Mocktails, the joy of having a cocktail minus the actual joy. Right? Non-alcoholic concoctions have become all the rage in our new mindful drinking society because apparently we're all suddenly concerned about our liver health and morning productivity. And that's why I work nights. Thanks to the ever-growing health and wellness trend, people are on the lookout for drinks that scream, "I'm healthy," without sacrificing taste. Enter the sober, curious crowd who ditch alcohol but still want to feel fancy and social. And lo and behold, they turn to mocktails to save the day, because God forbid we enjoy plain water. With their intricate flavors and stunning presentations, mocktails prove that you don't need alcohol to enjoy a flavorful drink. But here's the catch. Alcohol adds body, balance, and bite to a cocktail. Combining the perfect blend of sweetness, astringency, and texture without relying on alcohol requires a little understanding of how to harmonize the ingredients you're working with. So today I'll be mixing up a Grapefruit POM sparkler, a mocktail that's a fizzy fiesta with a tangy zing of grapefruit and pomegranate juices. Because who needs a buzz when you can savor the zing of a refreshing mocktail? Okay, we're doing a mocktail, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press 2 ounces of grapefruit. Yum! Ruby red grapefruit. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Actually, that looks pretty darn close to 2 ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fine strain it right off the bat. Oh, look at the color of that. That's beautiful. There's 2 ounces right there, man. In our shaker it goes. Look at the color. That's beautiful. Pomegranate juice is next. I got the POM. Now, you could, you could press your own pomegranate seeds, and that would be even better. But it sounds like a lot of work to me. I'm going for 2 ounces. In our shaker. Lemon juice is next. I'm looking for like a ½ an ounce here. Oh yeah. Fresh pressed. You gotta go fresh pressed, baby. A little bit more. I think I'm in. I think I'm gonna fine strain this one too. Just in case we got any seeds in there, that kind of idea, Looking good. Good looking. Okay, I've got some orgeat syrup. Everything's better with orgeat. I love it. Orgeat or almond syrup, ½ an ounce. 15 ml, right? Honey syrup is next. Pretty easy to make. I mean, it's just hot water, honey, equal portions. Let it cool down and you're in. And the reason we're using syrup, honey syrup, as opposed to just honey, is because it's going to blend better with our cocktail. I'm using a teaspoon, 5 ml, ready to go. Okay, we're gonna fill our glass full of ice. And we're gonna give it a quick shake, okay? Now, you don't wanna shake very long because pretty much this is like a water-based type drink. Good enough. Yeah, slide in this wonderful little hurricane-style glass, frozen. Yeah, get it chilled, right? Pop in some fresh ice and strain it out. Oh, look at the color. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All we want to do now is just top it up with some grapefruit soda. About 2 to 4 ounces. 2, 3, perfect. Give it a little stir. Incorporate everything and garnish with some grapefruit, fresh grapefruit. Oh yeah, just slide it in the drink. I've got some pomegranate aerials, some seeds, and I have a little lemon twist here, little rind. Yeah. Now, look at that. How inviting is that? It's beautiful. I guess we need a straw. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a beautiful thing. Let's give it a go. This is actually quite inviting. Very refreshing. I hate that word, but hey, I use it all the time. Shut up. This mocktail, my Grapefruit POM Sparkler, bursts with tangy grapefruit, pomegranate, and zesty lemon, balanced by the rich nuttiness of orgeat syrup and the gentle sweetness of honey. The grapefruit-flavored seltzer adds a fizzy touch, while the garnishes not only add a visual appeal, but also infuse subtle hints of their fresh flavors throughout each sip. It's a refreshing, complex blend of flavors that bubbles with effervescent joy. As far as I'm concerned, the only thing it's missing is maybe some gin. But it's a mocktail, so yeah, no gin allowed. Anyway, cheers. Mocktails. What I'm talking about here is berry white. I don't know why I did that. Cheers to mocktails, the perfect solution for those who want to look chic while staying perfectly, frustratingly sober. Hit the subscribe button, check some other videos out, and well, you know, make a mocktail or two. Personally, need some flippin' gin, man. That would elevate this. Whoa.